Little Dog Videos.
Hello, my ILS class. This is Miss Kelly, and we are going to do some fine motor activities today. We're going to start with cutting, and then we'll move on to some drawing and some gluing, and what else are we doing? We're going to cut. We'll get there, but let's start with our cutting today. Let's take a deep breath in, inhale up, and exhale down. One more breath, take a deep breath in, and exhale down. Okay, remember how I sent home a packet on Tuesday, a week from today? I'll be making more packets. And this packet I sent home had some crayons, had some markers, some chalk. We're gonna have to go do that art too. And it also had some scissors and some glue and activities and beads. So we're gonna start with cutting right now. So we're gonna start with the scissors. Many of you have scissors that are like this, where you open them up and you can push this part down, and then when you close it, it kind of comes back open on its own. The students that I know that I can use without the helping hand, then those students got scissors that do not have them. So some of you guys are able to do that. I'm gonna have a seat and I'm gonna show you first this little thing. I'm sure you're wondering, why did Miss Kelly put a paint sample paper in my packet? Well, I put this in your packet because it is the best consistency when you're first working on cutting. So it works great, it's firmer, and you can cut it. So you go open, close, open, close. And as you're opening, you're bringing this further back, close. And then look, this wonderful paint sample has lines. So you can try to open and close and cut right on the line. So you have it open, close, open, and then pull it back, close, open. Sometimes it gets a little cut up in there, and close. So then you have this cut off. And then you have some cut papers. We're gonna show you something else, we can do that in just a minute. But right now, I also put in your packet some papers with dotted lines. And you can see there's also little scissors on these dotted lines to show you how you would cut. So if you are doing such a great job that you need more of a challenge, you can take your scissors and try to follow this dotted line. If you want to cut some paper, but you're not quite ready to do the curvy line, you can take this. And Miss Kelly, to make it a firmer surface to cut on, I glued the paper onto the construction paper that was also in your packet. And these lines, as you can see, are straight, but you have to hold the paper right. So you're gonna hold it in one hand, so you're gonna hold it. If you are right-handed, that's the hand you wanna cut with, so you would hold this with your left hand, put the scissors in, 2 fingers in the big hole, thumb in the little hole. Remember, you're always having the thumb on top. So when you're cutting, parents, notice the thumb is on top. So you're gonna go open, close, following that dotted line. Open, close, open, close. There you go, right to the mama chicken, all the baby chickens. And then you can do each line, 1 line a day, however often you wanna practice your cutting. And if you're having a lot of fun with cutting, please take some of that wonderful construction paper I gave you and cut out some fun shapes. Just cut them out. Triangles and rectangles. You can cut out so many fun shapes, just like that. So that's our lesson in cutting. Remember, you're going to put your 2 fingers here in the larger hole and the thumb in the top hole, and your thumb is always on top. Sometimes Miss Kelly will put a happy face right there on your thumb, so you remember, thumb on top, and then you can start cutting away. And then we'll talk about gluing with that next. Thank you.